Alright, freestyle, bad system. It doesn't matter, whatever. I'm just gonna go. Here with JME, Jordan Jazz, do it. Let's do it. I'm called. Everything is cool. Like Drake said in that one song, everything is brand new. Try something new. You flipping, you tripping. You better tie your shoes. So tighten up and lighten up like Las Vegas light. I kill you on sight. Like the sun, I'm hot and bright. What you doing? Everything that is nice. This ain't nothing new to me. I'm pop. I'm reaching my hand out to the community. See, I'm right here. You is that like Dora? But you ain't doing nothing, so you ain't no explorer. See, this is right here. I do it cause I love. I crush you. I'm the exterminator. You just a little bug. This right here. That's what I'm about. I move it like a computer mouse. Said she wanted it up north and then it down the south, so then I just go around and make it go down south and put it in her mouth. Now I'm just playing. Now I'm just saying. You sweet, I'm wondering where to take it. I beat the beat up, just like I'm a bully, and say it so loud that the neighbors start to be looking. Right here, ain't nothing new. I ain't got a record yet, so I'm rapping up on YouTube. I'm right here. What you doing for? When I press stop recording, it's gotta upload. I'm playing. I'm the best voice coming in here. You bad, I must report. I'm right here. You crying like a baby. What's up in helmets cause you pussy niggas all about safety. See, I'm right here. I do this for me. I do it when it's my time. Do this worldwide in my rhymes. And put my name on the clock cause it is my time. I'm out of this world. Sci-fi. I change your whole colors like a hair. It's full of tie-dye. Go out here, niggas acting like you own me. I ain't fucking free like the internet for Sony. I'm the best, mother. What do you think I'm doing it for? I stay connected like some power cords, and then I turn it on. Real raw for stuff he's on training day when I'm the boss. Look, okay, I kill everything that I say. You say it's alright, you said it's okay. But you know that's a beast, and I will kill you any day. And anything you say is nothing compared to what I say. I beat it. I kill you faggots. I don't speak faggonese, so it's like you speak in Spanish. I do this right here. You know, winner. I should be getting green, like I'm getting spinach. I'm just playing. I'm here to hurt. This is my rules. You better follow my terms. White t-shirt. It says from Bahamas. And like I'm in acting class, you know I'm ready with the drama. I am the boss. You feel like your girl turned on? Well, once you come home, she's turned off. If she wanna do you, she said that you will lie, and I'm the real pure truth. What you notice? Yeah, I shut you off like you is a computer. You can't find another. I'm hotter than the summer. You just a little bum, and your whole life is a bummer. Freestyle right here. I know I have bad audio, but whatever.